Listen, man, if you get shoes from GOAT, pray on it. Pray on it and get them re-authenticated. What's going on, sneaker family, man? You got your boy Quanta Dine coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. And GOAT, I got a problem with y'all, man. We gotta throw the hands. Y'all gonna have to straighten me something. You're gonna have to tighten me up. Anyway, before I get into that video, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as ringing that notification bell to stay up to date with all my latest videos, man. But anyway, I'ma say it. They got me. They got me. No. This time around, no, they did not get me for a fake pair. I'm not gonna say they got me for a fake pair. However, they did not give me what I requested, man. They did not give me what was stated would be given to me. This is my first time actually doing business with GOAT, man. My first experience. I'm not saying anybody else's experience is gonna be like mine. I'm not telling you where to spend your money or how to spend your money. I'm just speaking on my experience. That's a disclaimer, all right? I purchased something through GOAT. I wanted the Fire Red 4s. I wasn't able to get them in 2020. You know what I'm saying? Due to the Hypebeast. Hypebeast bought them up. Hypebeast bought them up, and then I missed my early access. It's like, well, that's okay, cool. I catch them in 2021. All right. So 2021 is here. The Hypebeast see that they basically bricks. They threw them all back. You know what I'm saying? They threw them all back. They threw them all, toss them all back. They toss them all on StockX and GOAT. They basically saying that they bricks. It's gonna take time for the prices in these to go up. I know they're gonna go up. It's gonna be time though. I know they're gonna go up. So I definitely want to get me a pair while the price is down. I'm getting all off topic. Anyway, I got the pair. And I ordered it off GOAT, and I wanted it to be a brand new pair. However, it's not a brand new pair, man. These been worn, and y'all as authenticators, it's y'all motherfuckers. Y'all was supposed to make sure that I get what was told to me, man. My shoes should have been a 10 out of 10. They stated that they're in the perfect condition. These shoes are not in no perfect condition. Anyway, let me stop fussing, man, and let me take them out the box. I have to, you know what I'm saying? If I have to tighten y'all up, man. So got me up, man. For real, for real. So anyway, these are shoes, man. You may not be able to tell it in the camera. They may look clean as hell to you. They may look brand new to you. But they bull to me. Alright. So just to show y'all, man, this definitely from GOAT. Definitely from GOAT. Got the GOAT sticker right there. Got the GOAT verification card right here. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, whatever you want to call it. However, they should have just say that card shit, because listen, like I say, I'm not saying my shoes are fake. I'm not saying these are fake. Definitely a dope shoe. I wanted this shoe too bad. You know what I'm saying? I wanted this shoe too bad to get something like this when I paid over retail for this shoe. You know what I'm saying? Over resale, you know what I'm saying? I paid the resale market price for a brand new pair, which is what I requested on GOAT. However, I got a pair that was not brand new, like I say. I don't know if the camera gonna pick it up, but you can clearly see that the shoes have been worn. Come on now. You feel me? And no offense to a blind man, but a blind man can even see this. A blind man can feel these and tell that these motherfuckers was worn. Like, come on, GOAT. Like, y'all bugging. Like, these was worn, man. You can see the creases all on them. And you'll notice, if a person has wide feet and they wear a shoe, the areas where you're gonna see the creasing is gonna be here, here, and here. And I'm not even an authenticator, and I could tell that. Y'all only had one job. You feel me? Y'all got one job. If I can't trust y'all to do that job, to authenticate and make sure that the product is in the condition that is stated, it's not in that condition, man. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and go deeper into it. I'm gonna remove the insoles because I've actually already looked at them. Oh, that's my oven. Supposed to be putting some cookies, cinnamon rolls in there. Anyway, I'm gonna take out the soles, man. Now, y'all may not be able to pick this up as much on this camera, but check the soles out, man. Mind you, I've never worn this shoe. You know what I'm saying? I repeat, I have never worn this shoe. Supposed to be a brand new shoe, dead stock. I haven't worn. There's grass all in the shoe. There's dead grass all in this shoe. There's dead grass all on the other shoe, in the left shoe. Grass inside the shoe. You feel me? How the hell y'all missed that? That's just, this is beyond me. That's crazy. How did y'all miss that? Y'all are authenticators. Y'all can sit there and tell if a shoe is real and be able to authenticate it. But you can't get it correct and be able to tell if a shoe was used or worn. I don't know, man. I'm pissed though. You feel me? Cause if I wanted some used shoes, I could have went up the road. I could have hit somebody up or whatever the case and bought me some used shoes. I wanted these brand new for a reason. I was gonna sit on them. Yeah, there's a lot of production, but I mean, it's my favorite pair. I had no intentions on wearing them anytime soon. Like I said, they was gonna be dead stock. I was gonna sit on them. And in the future, hell, whether it's 5 years, 10 years later, if I wanted to sell them, I couldn't even do so. My look at that and say, man, these ain't dead stock. Cause I know I would. You feel me? Then you got the nerve to put them back in the box and try to string them all up tight like they were dead stock. My brother, nah, bro. You may have got away with wearing sole protectors to keep the soles clean, but these shoes is far from dead stock, man. These are 8.5, man. This not even a, which I don't even know why they put this leather on here. Like they say, the quality control, just the quality of the shoe overall is not that great, man. And honestly, I'm not impressed with the quality. I'm not even talking about, you know, not even talking about as far as the shoes being worn. I'm just stating that quality in general. Jordan, y'all know better than that. These should have been better quality, definitely. Look how easy them things crease, man. I don't know how many times the person wore them, but they not new. Go, y'all got me up, man. Y'all owe me some money, straight up. And I'm not trying to come at y'all no type of way, but I'm pissed. It's my first experience, and it's just the worst. You feel me? Like, I just feel like y'all was just like, you know, f it. Whoever that was, man, I want to fade you. You gotta see me straight up. Like, yeah, you got the right one. You got the right fucking sneakerhead. But hey, anyway, I just want to show y'all the good and the bad. I'm not just gonna be like acting like everything Gucci with the sneaker game. Heck no, man. We take our L's. We get over all the time. I'm gonna be the one to tell you if there ain't nobody else told you. GOAT and StockX. I ain't never had no problem with StockX, but GOAT. Listen, man, if you get shoes from GOAT, pray on it. Pray on it and get them re-authenticated. Straight up. You did. Cause it might not be as great as you think. But anyway, man, I'm gonna head to end this video. I'm done ranting for the night. I'm about to go eat my cinnamon rolls and go to bed. It's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, stick gang. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul. We out.